In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple projects into one file in Microsoft Project. If you manage several schedules at once and want a single place to see how they fit together, a master project is the cleanest way to do it. I'll walk you through building a master file with live, linked subprojects, setting cross-project task dependencies, and a quick method for a temporary combined view when you don't need links. Start in Microsoft Project on the desktop and create a new blank project. For clarity, switch to the Gantt chart view so you can see tasks and timelines side by side. In the task grid, click the exact row where you want your first project to appear. This placement matters because each inserted project will land on the row you select. Now go to the Project tab and choose Subproject. Browse to the first .mpp file you want to include and open it. You'll see it arrive as a single summary line that represents the entire subproject. If you have several projects to bring in, repeat the subproject command for each one. A time-saving tip here. In the Insert dialog, you can hold the Control key to select multiple files and insert them all in one go. Once inserted, each subproject behaves like a summary task in your master plan. Use the expand and collapse arrows to drill into its tasks or keep things high level. The power of this setup is that each subproject remains linked to its original file. That means updates made in the individual project schedules roll up into the master whenever you open or refresh the master file, giving you a live, consolidated view without duplicating work. If your projects depend on each other, you can create cross-project links directly in the master. Expand the subprojects to reveal the tasks you want to connect, then use the predecessors or successors column, or the Link Tasks button, to relate a task in one subproject to a task in another. For example, link a final review in Project A to the kickoff in Project B. This program-level dependency makes the ripple effects of delays immediately visible across schedules, helping you communicate realistic dates and manage risks. Finally, if you only need a temporary combined view without creating links, open all the project files you want to see together, then go to the Window menu and choose New Window. This overlays the open projects into a single view for quick reporting or printing. Keep in mind, this does not merge or link the files. It's strictly a convenient, read-only snapshot. That's it. With a master project, cross-project dependencies, and an on-the-fly consolidated view, you can oversee multiple projects with confidence in one place.